Hey y'all, and thanks for joining me for another Watch Cheryl Scrap video. Today I am here with day 3 of the 31 days of cut file fun for August 2022. And this is a cut file called Love You Outline by Just Nick. And I'll have that linked below in the description. And you can see here I have, I'm doing a similar technique as in the last couple of videos where I'm selecting and using an expand and fill action to make a shape so I can clip the papers to the insides of the cut file. And so I'm not using anything, any spectacular technique here, just simply backing the file with a paper that has a lot of paint on it, and then a stripe paper that is the background. And then right in the center of the layout, this cut file does come, well, it's like together. So I just separated it and put the lip at the top and the U at the bottom with the photos in the center. And this is my husband. He had gotten box of Cheerios and they had heart shapes, and he came over to me with the little hearts all in a circle. It was so cute, and I was like, okay, can I take your picture? And he said yes. So he's always doing little, I don't know, little tiny things that just, you know, make you feel good. So now I've added back behind there some scatters, stars, a label, some other glittery stars, a little heart toothpick at the top, and I change out that ribbon, that gold ribbon, for this black and white ribbon, and I add in some flowers over here on the right of the photo, and then down below where the label is, where the Y is in U. So I'll build up 2 clusters there. So there's, you know, one where the toothpick is, there's one to the right, and then there's one at the bottom left. So it kind of pulls everything together. So here's my final layout, and I hope it inspires you and you can grab the cut file and make a quick layout for your memory keeping albums. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.